Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Teaching in the Living Room. So today I want to spend the next 2 minutes talking about how to trim video on a PC or a Mac. So we have a lot of you out there creating content with your mobile phones, with Zoom, on your laptop, and you want to kind of trim the first couple seconds and last couple seconds of that video. So what do you do? So let's first take a look at our PC. So let's bring that up here. And so on a PC, you're actually just going to right click the file. So we're going to right click here. We're going to do open with, and then we're going to open it with the Photos app. So we'll go ahead and select that. Here's what you'll see. You'll go up to this edit button here, select that, and then it'll give you an option to trim. So we'll go ahead and select trim, and then you'll see these kind of gray dots here you can drag to trim. So let's go ahead and drag this in here. We'll go ahead and drag this down. We'll do an extreme one there to show you what you get. So once you get it trimmed to where you want, go ahead and hit save in the top right. You'll see it'll actually add trim to the name of the original video file. So we'll go ahead and just hit save, and then it's going to actually touch it, and then it's actually going to save it where you actually started creating the video at. So you can see the trim file here. So that's how you do it on a PC. Let's switch over to our Mac here. And then from your Mac, I'm going to go ahead again, right click the file I want to work on, hit open with, and we're going to open it with QuickTime. And so in QuickTime, we have some basic editing we can do. So let's go up to the top here and hit edit. And then you can see your options. We'll go ahead and hit trim. And you'll see it opens up this trim option at the bottom. We'll go ahead and slide this in just a little bit here. Slide this down just a little bit, and then hit trim in the bottom right. We now have our new trimmed video. We want to save this. So file, save. Where's save? There you go. Save. Let's go ahead and name it something that's a little more helpful. So video one trim. We want to select where we want to save it to. So I'm going to select my desktop so I can find it. Hit save. And you can see the file up here on my desktop now, video one trim. So those are a couple ways that you can trim videos on a PC or Mac to get you up and running. You can then upload it to YouTube or MediaSite to get it put into Carmen or Canvas. And hopefully that'll help you guys with the content that you're creating. As always, keepteaching.osu.edu for the latest up-to-date information. Students are back. You're doing great. Keep going. And we'll see you back here tomorrow.